Across the globe, a revolution's born. YouTube spark ignites creators' dawn. A platform free, where voices rise, empowering dreams before unsuspecting eyes. Oh yeah, YouTube, where our voices soar, fueling creativity, unlocking so much more. From every corner, creators take their stand in this boundless realm where dreams expand. From beauty tutorials to coding guides, vloggers, artists, and educators thrive. Monetization's key to financial freedom's gate, turning hobbies into successful create. Product reviews, gaming, and culinary art, knowledge sharing forever in the heart. Community building through comments below, engagements fire as connections grow. Oh yeah, YouTube, where our voices soar, fueling creativity, unlocking so much more. From every corner, creators take their stand in this boundless realm where dreams expand. Oh yeah, YouTube, where our voices soar, fueling creativity, unlocking so much more. From every corner, creators take their stand in this boundless realm where dreams expand. PewDiePie to Shane Dawson's might, Marcus Brownlee's tech insight shining bright. Beauty vloggers, gamers, and cooks galore, diverse talents on YouTube's floor. Oh yeah, YouTube, where our voices soar, fueling creativity, unlocking so much more. From every corner, creators take their stand in this boundless realm where dreams expand. YouTube's journey just begun, empowering creators one video at a time, one unleashing creativity worldwide. YouTube stage, where dreams reside.